Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at one of the funniest and sweetest Friends episodes. This episode has everything you could want: romance, crazy comedy, unforgettable jokes, and a beautiful wedding. If you are a fan, this is definitely an episode you don't want to miss. The story begins with Emma's birthday celebration. As always, the gang turns a simple birthday into a funny moment. Then the episode quickly shifts to Phoebe and Mike, who are celebrating their first anniversary together. Phoebe is excited because their relationship means so much to her and she hopes the day will become unforgettable. Mike says important plan. He wants to propose, but every time he tries to create the perfect surprise, something goes wrong. The funny part is that Fonway accidentally arranges every romantic setup without even knowing in instead of getting angry. Mike finally realized that love isn't about having a perfect plan. It's about speaking honestly from the heart. When he finally asked Fonway to marry, he makes one of the sweetest moments in the entire series. Their chemistry makes the proposal feel real emotional and beautiful. At the same time, Joy gives us another classic comedy moment. He goes on a date but everything falls apart because the girl takes friend from his plate. For Joey, food is serious business. He don't mind buying food for someone else, but touching his own food is a completely different story. His dramatic reaction becomes one of the funniest scenes in the episode and reminds everyone why Joy is such a unique character. Another hilarious storyline follows Fonbe after the engagement. She decided to legally change her name, but instead of choosing something normal, she picks the funniest name possible. My is to prove how ridiculous it sounds by choosing an even stranger's name for himself. Their playful argument is full of log and perfectly shows become the make such a great couple. Then come one of the most famous comedy scenes in Friends history. Joy needs to learn Friends as an education. Phonepe Bentley teaches him simply Friends words, but somehow Joy respect every single word completely wrong. The funniest part is that perfect friends, no matter how many times Phonebe correct him, he confidently says the wrong word again. It's classic joy and the sense never get old. As the episode moves toward the ending, everyone attention turns to Phonebe and Mike's wedding, even though they originally planned something simply. Emotion and excitement make the day feel very special. Their friends support them throughout every moment, proving once again that this group is more like a family than just friend. The wedding ceremony itself is beautiful instead of focusing on expensive direction or a huge celebration. The episode focus on love, friendship and commitment. Mike heartfelt words and phone-based emotional response creates one of the most touching moments in the entire series. Even with emotional scenes, Friends never forgets its comedy, so there are still plenty of log before the episode ends. Overall, the episode perfectly balances romance, and comedy we get, and unforgettable proposal, joys, legendary food option, the hilarious Frances lesson, phone based crazy name change, and a beautiful wedding all in one episode. Every character gets a chance to shine, and that's exactly why Friends continues to be loved by fans around the world. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your favorite Friends moments in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.